Attach the long and short spacers to the bat contact areas. Measure the bat and mark the correct spacing between the two holders. Step 1. Drill holes at the marked points. Step 2. Tap the wall anchors into the holes. Step 3. Secure the holders. Step 1. Apply the tape to the back of each holder and remove the backing. Step 2. Check the direction, level, and spacing, then press firmly onto the wall. Once secure, place the bat on the holders for a floating display effect.